Hi, I'm Ray and we're back under the greenhouse again. Today it's 128 days till Christmas, so it's time to plant the Christmas potatoes. So Christmas potatoes are normally potatoes that are grown in June and July, and when buying your summer potatoes, it's always good just to leave a few that you can grow for your Christmas potatoes. So some good varieties are Charlotte and Red Duke of York. They're ideal for growing for your Christmas potatoes, and these can be purchased from garden centres or nurseries, and they're sold as Christmas potatoes, and they can also be bought online from some of the stores. And these are my sea potatoes, and they've been just on top of the wardrobe happily chitting away since around May, and they're looking okay. A couple of them are a bit small, we won't be using those. So let me show you what we're going to do. So all we need is a bag of compost, and you can even use the bag the compost is growing in, or just an old flower pot. Make sure it's got some good drainage holes, or a bucket, it's just as good. So what we're going to do is we take our bucket with the drainage holes, and we're just going to add some of the compost into the bottom of the container. And then we take our potatoes and we're putting 3 to 4 potatoes, space them about 20 to 30 centimeters apart. 1, 2, I'm going to put 4 in this one, and they've all got really good purple sprouts, which is what we're looking for. And then I'm just going to take our compost bag that the compost came in. We've made some holes around the outside just for drainage, and we're just going to put 2 potatoes in this bag, and then we're just going to fill them up with the rest of the compost, slightly firming it down. And we're going to water this well once the shoots appear. Then we're going to cover it a bit more until we reach the top. So this is going to sit into the greenhouse, or you can leave this in a porch, and then hopefully by Christmas we'll have some lovely new potatoes for our Christmas dinner. I'm not going to fill it up too much. I can fill it up at a later date. There we go. So we're around the 20th of August, and we need around 100 days for the seed potatoes. There we go. Then all we need is a bit of water And there we go. That's our Christmas seed potatoes planted. So looking forward to some lovely potatoes during the Christmas period. So let me know in the comments, do you grow Christmas potatoes? And what varieties have you grown? These are Charlottes, and I love Charlottes, they've been really good. And check out the earlier video of me harvesting the summer potatoes in the same pot. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.